Hello everyone and welcome to FreeCAD tutorials. In this FreeCAD tutorial, we explain how to properly define and display a grid in FreeCAD and how to snap geometrical objects either to a grid or to other geometrical objects. So let's immediately start. Okay, let's start. Click on File and click on New Document and let's create our sketch. Click over here to create your first sketch and select the XY plane and click on OK. Here's one very important thing to keep in mind. In this video tutorial, I'm using FreeCAD 1.1.1. Probably from the version 1.1, they have changed the button or the selection for the grid. Namely, in the previous CAD versions, over here you had the button for the grid. However, this button has been eliminated, and if you want to turn on the grid and if you want to adjust the grid parameters, you need to click over here and you need to click on Display Grid, and this will display the grid in your sketch. Over here you have several options. Usually you have this option and you should keep it on, Grid Auto Spacing, and then over here you can specify the spacing of the grid. Usually I like to go with 5 millimeters, which will give you a more denser grid. Okay, now we have our grid and we can start with sketching. So if you now click here and if you click on rectangle, you will see what happens. You can actually draw the rectangle. However, the issue over here is that your rectangle is not being snapped to the grid. To turn on this option, you need to click again over here and you need to select Snap to Grid. And now let's repeat this procedure. So click on rectangle, and now if you click somewhere close to this grid, you will see that the corners of your rectangle will be properly snapped to the grid. And this is what we want. And here it is. Next, let's learn how to properly snap geometrical objects to other geometrical objects. Let's say that we want to create a circle and that we want to place the center of this circle on this particular line. So let's try to do that. Click here and click on Circle from Center and try to zoom in, and you will see that it's very difficult to exactly place the center of this circle on this particular line. To enable this option, again click here and click on Snap to Objects. And let's try to repeat this procedure. So now click over here on Circle, and if you try to place the circle center close to this line, and if you click very close to this line, you will be able to actually snap it to the line. Now here I need to click on the exact line and you will see that the circle will be placed. And this is how you snap. You will simply click here and now your circle will be snapped to this line, or better to say the center of the circle will be snapped to this line. Let's learn how to do this with rectangle. So click on rectangle, and now if I do this, you will see that you're properly snapping to the lines of the previous rectangle. And that's it. Over here, if you click, you also have some other option. You can play with the snap angle, and you can also over here see what is the rendering order. It is normal geometry, construction geometry, and external geometry. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.